Welcome to my YouTube channel Learning English. Thank for watching video.
Hobbies and free time. Do you play sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
What do you like to do?
I like to draw pictures.
Can you sing well?
No, I can't sing well.
Does he dance every weekend?
Yes, he dances every weekend.
When do you practice your hobby?
I practice in the afternoon.
Do you play a musical instrument?
Yes, I play the guitar.
What books do you like to read?
I like adventure stories.
Can you paint pictures?
Yes, I love painting.
Does she like to cook?
Yes, she cooks new recipes.
Where do you do your hobby?
At home or outside.
Do you go hiking?
Yes, on weekends.
What games do you play?
I play board games.
Can you knit or sew?
I can sew clothes.
Does he collect stamps?
Yes, he has many.
When do you watch movies?
At night.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I grow flowers.
What do you do in your free time?
I relax or paint.
Can you build models?
Yes, small airplane models.
Does your hobby make you happy?
Yes, very happy.
Where did you learn your hobby?
From my parents.
The street. Do you cross the street here?
Yes, I cross here.
What do you see on the street?
I see cars and people.
Can you wait at the bus stop?
Yes, I can wait.
Does the traffic light turn green?
Yes, it turns green.
When do you leave your house?
I leave at 7 a.m.
Do you see buses often?
Yes, every 10 minutes.
What color is the stop sign?
It is red.
Can you walk safely here?
Yes, there's a sidewalk.
Does he drive to work?
Yes, every day.
Where do you wait for a taxi?
Near the hotel.
Do you use a map to find the way?
Yes, on my phone.
What do people do on the street?
They walk or ride bikes.
Can you hear horns?
Yes, it's noisy.
Does she ride a bicycle?
Yes, every morning.
When do you walk to the store?
In the evening.
Do you see tall buildings?
Yes, many buildings.
What is near the corner?
A bakery.
Can you cross when it's red?
No, I wait for green.
Does the bus stop here?
Yes, every hour.
Where is the nearest streetlight?
Right ahead.
A cafe. Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat toast and eggs.
Can you pay by card?
Yes, I can pay by card.
Does the waiter bring the food?
Yes, he brings the food quickly.
When do you visit the cafe?
I visit in the afternoon.
Do you like tea or coffee?
I like both.
What do you order?
I order a sandwich and juice.
Can you sit outside?
Yes, there are tables outside.
Does she work at the cafe?
Yes, she is a waitress.
Where is the cafe?
It is near the park.
Do you go alone or with friends?
I go with friends.
What is your favorite drink?
I like iced coffee.
Can you study at the cafe?
Yes, it is quiet.
Does the cafe have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, it does.
When do you leave the cafe?
After 1 hour.
Do they sell cake?
Yes, they have chocolate cake.
What time does the cafe open?
It opens at 8 a.m.
Can you read a book here?
Yes, I bring my book.
Does the waiter smile?
Yes, he is friendly.
Where do you sit?
Near the window.
Talking about family. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
What does your mother do?
She cooks dinner.
Can your father drive a car?
Yes, he can drive very well.
Does your family live here?
Yes, they live here with me.
When do you visit your grandparents?
I visit them on Sundays.
Do you love your family?
Yes, I love them very much.
What games do you play with your siblings?
We play board games.
Can your sister sing?
Yes, she sings well.
Does your brother go to school?
Yes, he does.
Where does your uncle live?
He lives in another city.
Do you eat dinner together?
Yes, every night.
What do your parents do?
They work in an office.
Can your grandmother cook?
Yes, she makes tasty food.
Does your cousin visit often?
Yes, on holidays.
When do you have family time?
On weekends.
Do you have a big family?
Yes, many members.
What does your father like to do?
He likes to garden.
Can your mother ride a bike?
No, she doesn't.
Does your family watch TV together?
Yes, in the evening.
Where do you all go on vacation?
To the beach.
Using technology. Do you use a computer?
Yes, I use a computer every day.
What do you do online?
I watch videos and read news.
Can you send emails?
Yes, I can send emails.
Does she download music?
Yes, she downloads music.
When do you check your phone?
I check it in the morning and evening.
Do you play games on your phone?
Yes, I play puzzle games.
What apps do you use?
I use social media and news apps.
Can your phone take photos?
Yes, it has a good camera.
Does your computer have internet?
Yes, it is connected.
Where do you charge your phone?
On my desk.
Do you know how to use a printer?
Yes, I print my homework.
What does your dad use his laptop for?
For work and emails.
Can you watch movies on a tablet?
Yes, very clearly.
Does your mom use a smartphone?
Yes, she messages her friends.
When do you stop using your phone?
Before I sleep.
Do you like new gadgets?
Yes, I love them.
What is your favorite device?
My tablet.
Can you fix your computer?
No, I call for help.
Does your school use technology?
Yes, we use smartboards.
Where do you buy gadgets?
At an electronics store.
The beach. Do you like to swim?
Yes, I like to swim in the sea.
What do you bring to the beach?
I bring a towel and sunscreen.
Can you build a sandcastle?
Yes, I can build a sandcastle.
Does the sun shine today?
Yes, the sun shines very brightly.
When do you go to the beach?
I go on weekends.
Do you wear sunglasses?
Yes, to protect my eyes.
What do you eat at the beach?
I eat snacks and fruit.
Can you surf in the sea?
No, I cannot surf.
Does your sister play in the water?
Yes, she loves it.
Where do you sit?
Under the umbrella.
Do you see shells?
Yes, I collect them.
What animals do you see?
I see birds and crabs.
Can you hear the waves?
Yes, they are loud.
Does your family like the beach?
Yes, we all enjoy it.
When do you leave the beach?
Before sunset.
Do you wear a swimsuit?
Yes, I wear it for swimming.
What color is your towel?
It is blue.
Can you play volleyball here?
Yes, on the sand.
Does the water feel cold?
A little bit.
Where do you change clothes?
In the changing room.
Shopping for clothes. Do you wear jeans?
Yes, I wear jeans often.
What do you try on?
I try on shirts and jackets.
Can you find my size?
Yes, I can find your size.
Does the store open at 9 a.m.?
Yes, it opens at 9 a.m.
When do you buy new clothes?
I buy new clothes in summer.
Do you like this color?
Yes, I like blue.
What is your shoe size?
My size is 8.
Can you help me choose a dress?
Yes, this one is nice.
Does he wear a suit?
Yes, for work.
Where is the fitting room?
It's over there.
Do they have winter clothes?
Yes, jackets and sweaters.
What do you wear to a party?
I wear a nice dress.
Can I return this shirt?
Yes, with a receipt.
Does this hat look good?
Yes, it looks great.
When is the sale?
This weekend.
Do you shop online too?
Yes, sometimes.
What kind of clothes do you like?
I like casual clothes.
Can you find a black belt?
Yes, here it is.
Do you need new socks?
Yes, I do.
Where do you pay?
At the front counter.
The zoo. Do you see animals here?
Yes, I see lions and monkeys.
What do the animals eat?
They eat fruits and meat.
Can you feed the animals?
No, I cannot feed them.
Does the elephant spray water?
Yes, the elephant sprays water.
When do you visit the zoo?
I visit on Saturdays.
Do you like the giraffes?
Yes, they are tall and cute.
What animal is loud?
The lion is very loud.
Can you take photos here?
Yes, I can.
Does the bird fly?
Yes, very high.
Where do the penguins live?
In the cold zone.
Do you walk a lot at the zoo?
Yes, it's a big place.
What animal do you like most?
I like pandas.
Can you ride a train in the zoo?
Yes, there is a zoo train.
Does the tiger sleep now?
Yes, it's resting.
When does the zoo close?
At 5 p.m.
Do they have reptiles?
Yes, snakes and lizards.
What do the monkeys do?
They jump and play.
Can you buy snacks there?
Yes, at the zoo cafe.
Is the zoo crowded today?
Yes, many visitors.
Where is the map of the zoo?
At the entrance.
Talking about health. Do you feel well today?
Yes, I feel well today.
What do you eat to stay healthy?
I eat fruits and vegetables.
Can you run a mile?
Yes, I can run a mile.
Does he take medicine?
Yes, he takes medicine every day.
When do you visit the doctor?
I visit when I feel sick.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, I drink 8 glasses a day.
What do you do to stay fit?
I exercise every morning.
Can you sleep well at night?
Yes, I sleep 8 hours.
Does she have a cold?
Yes, she is coughing.
Where is the hospital?
It's near the school.
Do you take vitamins?
Yes, every morning.
What makes you feel better?
Rest and tea.
Can you lift heavy things?
Yes, I can lift some weights.
Does he have a fever?
Yes, he is very hot.
When do you feel tired?
After a long day.
Do you get checkups?
Yes, once a year.
What do you do when you are sick?
I stay in bed.
Can you see the nurse?
Yes, she is here.
Does eating junk food help?
No, it makes me feel bad.
What is your health goal?
To be strong and active.